Watchman strangled to death in Christiana, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in Manchester are probing the murder of a watchman at a bar in Christiana, Manchester, whose body was found with an electrical cord wrapped around his neck on Wednesday. Police have named the deceased as 61-year-old Anthony Williams, otherwise called Tony, a resident of Main Street, Christiana, located in the northeastern section of the parish. Police sources said that at around 11 a.m., Williams was found with his hands and feet bound and an electrical cord wrapped around his neck. It is believed that Williams was attacked between midnight and early morning. His body was later discovered at the bar located on a shopping plaza in Blackregate, Christiana, Manchester. Police said that the establishment was robbed of an undetermined sum of cash and an undetermined sum of liquor. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.